Zavardi Official. Click here to subscribe. Hey guys, here I am, another unboxing video here on Zavardi Official, and this is the Aquarium 3-in-1 top overhead filter that I bought from Shopee for only 173 pesos. This item has 3 functions of oxygenation, filtration, and circulation, so this item has multiple purpose. Thereby, it saves labor and worry. This item or product has a variation of wattage. It has a wattage to choose from 10 watts to 25 watts. But in this video, I just bought 10 watts that is enough for my tank. It mounted with small tubes where other parts being placed. It's so easy to assemble. Just place the water outlet pump on the side part of the filter box. If you have some fiber fill or foam you can place it on, this will be an added filtration. Then place the connector suction cup on the other side part of the filter box. And on one side, connect the water pipe and then the other end on the submersible pump. Attach the water filter hood and the oxygen tube on the submersible pump and then cover it. Let's test it if it works. This item absorbs dirt, keeps the water clear, and it's suitable for any aquarium and all kinds of filtration. And completely submersible motor, safe and really quiet operation. And it's suitable for fresh and sea water. Once installation is done, plug it in and let's see. And after a few hours, the water becomes so clear. And by the way, I made another improvised filter so that other dirt will also be filtered and be trapped in this container. This is so effective. Thank you guys for watching and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye. So don't forget to subscribe.